The FDA is warning about potentially harmful products.
Only 21% of the products we tested contained the product listed on the label.
All right, well, that's a little scary. How do you regulate that? What's legal? What should be?
With any regulation, your starting point should be, what is the problem to which this regulation is the solution?
The US FDA announced recently that they will resume on-site inspections. Domestic facility inspections have been halted for the last 4 months. They have developed a rating system to help guide when and where it is safe enough to resume the inspections. The phases are based on the phases of state, as well as statistics measured at the county level to gauge the current trends of infection. The measure and phases are also based on seeing downward trends in new cases of COVID-19 and hospitalizations in a given area. Foreign manufacturers will be pleased, as many had asked the FDA to consider alternative ways to inspect, so they can continue to supply the US. Stephen Hahn, FDA Commissioner, stated that all inspectors on site will be outfitted with PPE. The agency will also pre-announce their visit so that the necessary personnel can be present at the time of the inspection. You can find more information in the references in our comments section, and please be sure to follow our LinkedIn page and subscribe to this channel to get the most up-to-date information from PathWise.